Hi there, I'm Kristen Scott, and today we're talking about softening consonants for voice feminization. Before we start, let's be clear on one thing. When we soften consonants, we're not taking away a consonant sound entirely, just saying the sound with less force or for a shorter length of time. Consider this sentence. Pull the light switch to turn the light off. In this sentence, we have a lot of hard T sounds. There are also P and F sounds, but let's talk about the T for now. The consonant T can make a lot of unnecessary noise and make our voice sound choppy and staccato because it's a percussive sound. T, 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 almost like tapping a hi-hat. When we overdo percussive consonants, the sentence flow stops to allow time for the consonants to happen. This happening once or twice could be forgettable, but several times in a sentence and we get that choppy sound. So in order to create a more flowing, smooth delivery, we reduce the force or time we spend on the T sound like this. Pull the light switch to turn the light off. I'll demonstrate it again, first with the harsh T's and then with softer T's. Pull the light switch to turn the light off versus pull the light switch to turn the light off. This process of softening sounds can apply to any harsh sounding consonants. Remember, the trick isn't to completely not say the consonant sound, but to reduce the force and or the length of time that you say the sound with. I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to check out your lessons now on all our socials and tap that like and subscribe button for more content like this.